Hey there, kids. Welcome to Happy Kiddo. Let's begin today's video.
Under the sun's benevolent gaze, a wide green meadow unfolds, promising serenity and life. In this tranquil expanse, 3 bullocks, black, brown, and white, move as one, a testament to their deep-seated bond. Sunlight warms the meadow, where the bullocks graze in perfect harmony, sharing glances and peaceful moments. Their relaxed postures reveal a friendship as deep as the roots of the ancient trees that border their shared haven. Each movement, each shared glance, speaks of a harmonious existence, untouched by the worries of the world. In this sun-drenched sanctuary, their friendship flourishes, a beacon of unity and peace in a world often divided. From the forest's edge, a powerful lion observes the bullocks, hunger burning in its eyes. The lion attempts to frighten the bullocks, testing their resolve with a predatory stare. The bullocks form an unyielding line of horns, a united front against the predator's hunger. Frustrated by their solidarity, the lion retreats, the bullock's strength and unity evident. Beneath the vast shelter of the tree, the lion succumbs to a dark mood, its features heavy with brooding. A cunning smile slowly begins to crawl across the lion's face, hinting at the deceitful machinations brewing within. The lion's plan takes shape, a treacherous scheme to shatter the bond between the bullocks. The lion's eyes gleam with cunning as its plan to destroy the bullocks' friendship nears completion. Its deceitful strategy emerges, poised to disrupt the harmony of the meadow. The lion revels in the anticipation of its impending triumph, a shadow of treachery cast over the peaceful meadow. As dusk descends, a majestic lion stealthily stalks through the meadow, its eyes fixed on a lone black bullock. The black bullock grazes peacefully, unaware of the danger closing in. The lion breaks the silence. Why do you always stay with them? They laugh at you behind your back. The white bullock says your horns are dull, and the brown bullock says you are slow. They only keep you around for protection. Doubt clouds the black bullock's mind as the lion's words sink in. Days later, the meadow witnesses a chilling transformation. Suspicion festers among the bullocks, their once unbreakable bond now strained. Once inseparable, the bullocks now graze in isolated pockets, their gaze averted, their camaraderie destroyed. The lion's lies cast a long shadow, poisoning the hearts of the bullocks with mistrust and alienation. The atmosphere hangs heavy, thick with the unspoken accusations and silent resentments of the divided herd. In the once harmonious meadow, the bullocks are now isolated in their own corners, their unity shattered beyond repair. In the sun-drenched meadow, a lion explodes from the undergrowth, ambushing the unsuspecting brown bullock. The brown bullock, startled by the sudden attack, flees in terror toward the dark forest. The lion, now unchallenged, pivots its gaze upon the white bullock, who stands alone, trembling in fear. With a ferocious roar, the lion charges, scattering the white bullock from the peaceful meadow. The white bullock, gripped by stark terror, bolts away from the predator. Far off, the black bullock witnesses the horrifying scene, its eyes wide with terror. Under the fading sunset, long shadows stretch across the meadow, marking the end of a day. The black bullock stands alone, a stark silhouette against the fiery canvas of the twilight sky. From the edge of the woods, a lion emerges, its form a shadow within shadows. Step by measured step, the lion advances toward the solitary black bullock, relishing the taste of impending victory. Too late, the black bullock understands. Their strength was in unity, now shattered by deception. The lion advances, ready to claim its final victory.
The black bullock realized too late that unity had been their shield. Once broken, they were powerless. Betrayed by a lie, the bond of friendship had shattered, Now the lion would have its victory. The moral: united we stand, divided we fall. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.